Welcome back. It's time now for our Wisconsin home segment. We're going to check in with Josh Lavik of Josh Lavik and Associates.
Hello.
Welcome. Good to see you again.
Oh, thanks for having me again, as usual.
Oh, thanks.
So let's kick it off here with a market update. How are things looking right now?
Yeah, well, the market, it's kind of an interesting market in the sense that I think we're starting to kind of level things out a little bit more. So, prices, I'd say, are leveling. Our median price is only up like 1%. We're at 452, 500. Average price is higher though. That's up like 5%. And but the average, keep in mind, includes some of those outliers. So for example, there was a beautiful condo that just sold over at the Edgewater, right downtown, for $5 million.
Oh, well, there you go.
So that may skew the average slightly.
Yeah.
So.
Yes, exactly. And speaking of condos and listings, you have some really good ones again this time. Can we dive into those?
Yeah. So we are noticing, definitely listing inventory is increasing, definitely up from last year. So that's also something I'm seeing in the market. But I've got some great properties to share. Actually, one we just listed over in Twin Lakes, which is near Lake Geneva. Beautiful ranch home there, 4 bedrooms. This one's got a nice big 3-car garage, plus another outbuilding and a huge in-ground pool.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it's like,
can't go wrong.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that one just hit the market. That one's available right now at $589,900. So definitely, really nice home, really nice property, nice ranch style. Lots of good features on that one. Let's see. You're a big golfer, right?
Yes.
And so we.
That doesn't make me good, but I try.
But you were at the TPC Wisconsin Golf outing, right?
Yes,
So if any of you went to that, you may have seen this property. This one's over on Comanche Way. Up on in the Cherokee neighborhood, and it's on the 13th fairway. So if you're a golfer and you want to be right on the golf course, boom, you're right there. Big spacious 4-bedroom home. Also has a walkout lower level. It's on a 1/3 of an acre lot, and that one's available right now for $6.25.
Oh, that's pretty good to be on a golf course, right?
Well, there you go.
That's kind of what I thought. So I mean, it's a little bit older of a home, but has had some updates over the years, but probably could use a little bit more renovations if you wanted to, bring it up to more modern tastes and standards if you wanted. But certainly to be right on the golf course at that price point, I think is a pretty good value.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. So, and if you're not a golfer and you want to be maybe on the water, we still have actually a condo on Lake Monona. This one's close to downtown. It's on 1029 Spate Street. And so you're right on Lake Monona, keep your boat out there or kayak or whatever, and walk to restaurant right downtown. You can do that too. That one, actually we just reduced the price on that from $420 to $410. So that one's available.
Wow, that's a good deal too.
Yeah.
You're in the mix of it all down there.
I know.
It's like you're on vacation, you know?
Yeah. I know. I always love that location too. You know? You're just like so close to things.
Yes.
Nice to be right on the water for sure. But otherwise we also just listed a nice starter condo on the west side of Madison. So, if price point's an issue, this one just hit the market, 2-bedroom for $205,000. Has also underground parking, so you have a nice covered garage. So, for $205, that's could be a good starter condo for somebody.
Yeah, absolutely.
West side.
You bet.
Yeah. We love the west side.
We do. Yeah. And I want to bring up too your Snap home offer, because that's great for people that are looking to just sell quickly as is.
Yeah. So we developed, we've got a number of different home selling programs, and each one is right depending on the situation for our potential clients. But our Snap home offer is one where, it's really designed for people that maybe you've been in the house a while and it's maybe needs a lot of work, right? So it's, you're thinking you might want to sell it, but maybe you got just too much stuff, or it needs too many repairs or updates or things like that. That's really what this program is designed for. So either myself or one of our investor partners will come in and make a cash offer, instant offer on the property, and be able to make it just real smooth and easy for you. Obviously, the price is typically going to be reflected in that. So, they're not for the, more pristine retail, as is, nice properties, it's more the as is type of properties.
Yeah. So like for someone who doesn't, maybe they're moving south, or maybe, they have another property that they just want to not have to deal with the renovation portion of it, right?
Sure.
And then you guys come in and purchase it.
Yep, we can do that. I mean, it would also be, the ones we've done in the past too, like they had maybe just some health issues and couldn't maintain the property as well.
Sure.
Right.
So for that situation, right, like where there's clearly, works needed and most buyers maybe wouldn't be interested in that type of property, that's really what the program's for. So, but it's, can be a good option. Like I said, it's just, we make it easy. You can do it right on our website. We've got a, instant offer button right at the homepage at joshlavik.com, or you can go to snaphomeoffer.com. That's another kind of landing page. We made it easy for people to just go there if that's an option for you. Otherwise, if that's not, and you're looking to buy or sell or whatever it might be, feel free to obviously reach out to our team.
Yeah, you're always so helpful. Well, thank you so much for chatting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll be right back right after this.